So what better way is there to really showcase in a more sustainable way than a cardboard booth? Hello everyone, I'm Carlo Charles from Singapore and we're here from Flint Paper Battery, showcasing here at Las Vegas at CES 2026. The first product that we have developed is a pouch cell battery, which is very, very thin. It's less than 1 millimeter thin, almost as thick as your hair, you know. The very important reason is our mission and vision is about sustainability, and we want to develop sustainable batteries for the world. Every single booth around you, they are at least twice or 3 or 5 times bigger than where our booth size over. But we want to stand out from them and we want to stay true to our values, which is why we wanted to work with cardboard, which is a central component of paper, and we use paper batteries. So it's a perfect correlation, perfect synergy that we just love that it happened. The new booth that we have over here is really a symbolic expression of where we come from. It's Singapore and it is inspired by the super trees that we have in Singapore. The most important thing with Cartonlab was it's so easy to work with their team, and they completely understand our vision and what we wanted to do with them. To see it all pieced together, it's like several stars aligning. Cartonlab was just perfect for it because that's what they stand for in sustainability, and that's also what we stand for.